Hello everyone. Yesterday I made a tutorial on how to make your own Discord server without doing any manual work. I showed you how to make your Discord server with your bot with just a simple script and all of your server is set up. Let me show you here. This was the example server that I showed you how to set up with your bot. And now the main problem is that uh, it is impossible to keep your bot online all the time on your personal PC. So the whole point of this video is to show you how to host your bot for free 24/7 without paying for anything. So let's get right into it. First, you are going to need a couple of things. Let me show you. We're gonna navigate to the script of the bot that we created. For me, it is the Discord bot script. Here is my script, and we need a config file. So we are going to create a config file. You can create any file, for example this, and rename it to Discloud.Config. I already made one, so I'm going to show you what you need to write in it. I'm going to open this and make sure your RAM is limited to 100 and your version is 3.11. It depends on what Python version you want to use, but the logic is the same. And the main file should be the name of the script that you are using. In my case, it is main.py, so I'm going to use main.py. And since it is a Discord bot, the type should be the bot, and the ID it can be anything you want. For example, my bot. In my case, my name is Marineo, so I put marineo-bot, and auto restart should be true, so whenever your Discord bot crashes, it restarts automatically without you needing to do anything else. So once you have all these files, you are going to open your browser and you are going to write Discloud.com. Once you have registered on this, you can go ahead and open your dashboard. Once you have opened your dashboard, the screen will look like this, and you will have to click on this upload button. Now it requires you to put your files in a zip, so we're going to select this file. Now make sure your .env file, if you are using env, which I highly recommend, it is an environmental safety variable so that hackers cannot hack your bot, right? So I recommend you to use this as well. You are going to update your env file with the token of your bot, which you can get from your developer portal of Discord and the bot you made. For me, in my case, I made this bot yesterday, so I'm going to copy its token. You're going to get your token from here. I don't need to reset it for now, so I already copied it and pasted it here, and I wrote Discord token. So I'm going to pass this token into my script here, load.env and Discord token, so our bot is fully secure and no hacker can get it. Your Python code, if you don't know how to write a code, you can use AI to generate a code for you. I explained it in my previous video, so if you have any problem, you can go to my previous video and learn from it. After that, you are going to need the requirements.txt as well. So my bot is hosted on is made in Python language, so I use Discord Python support and the python.env for the safety environmental configuration. If you don't know anything about coding, so I recommend just using these two libraries, which I will paste in the video description. So we are going to select this requirements.txt, our bot script, the Discloud.Config and the env file, and then we are going to make a zip out of it. We are going to zip it. So I will click on add to archive and select zip and press OK. Once we have that zip, we need to confirm we have all the files required: .env, Discloud.Config, main.py, and requirements. Remember that in the Discloud.Config, since you are going to use, majority of you are going to use the free tier of the Discloud, and they have this 100 MB RAM limitation, so you are going to set 100. If you increase it from 100, it will not allow you to host your bot. So make sure it is limited to 100. 100 is too much for a simple bot, so you won't be facing any problems. Now once you have this zip, you're going to go back to the dashboard and drop your file here. This one, I'm going to open it. Will show you my bot is currently offline. Once it finishes its job, it says my bot is online and I am using Python, which is correct in my case. Now let's see if my bot is actually online. Yep, my bot is actually online. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any more questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.